Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to do slow-mo on Capcut PC. Now let's begin. Right now I have a video on my timeline. Let's click on it. And on the top right corner, a menu bar will open, having different tabs such as video, audio, speed, animation and others. For now, we need to focus on the speed section. Let's click on speed. In this normal tab, you can make your video go faster or slower. If you make the video slower, you will find yourself an option such as smooth slow-mo. Turn on this smooth slow-mo. And now that everything is complete, let's play the video. The smooth slow-mo has been successfully done. But to make your video slow-mo more better, I recommend to use the curve. So let's move on towards this curve tab. Now there are lots of options here like flash in, flash out. If you want to customize it yourself, there is the customized icon here. Let's click on it. Now let us simply adjust this curve. And now let's play the video. And there you have it guys, that's how you do a slow-mo on Capcut. There is also option of smooth slow-mo button here, you can toggle it on if you wish. And that's it for the video guys. That's how you do a slow-mo video on Capcut. Do remember that this is just a demo and you can make your video so much better. For any queries, do comment below. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.